Changing your verification method on Zelle is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your settings. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu. This is typically found in the profile section, often represented by a gear icon or similar. Step 3. Select verification method. Look for the option labeled verification method or security settings. Tap on this option to view your current verification methods. Step 4. Choose new method. Review the available verification methods such as email, phone number, or two-factor authentication. Select the method you wish to change to. Step 5. Confirm changes. Follow the prompts to confirm your selection. You may need to enter a verification code sent to your new method to finalize the change. Once you have completed these steps, your verification method on Zelle will be updated. Make sure to keep your contact information current to ensure smooth transactions.